Listen to me. Myanmar doesn't need to invent AI. Why build ChatGPT? You can just use ChatGPT. AI systems are important, but data is more important. And we need to change the way we think about AI. And we need to use AI to become far more productive. Let me explain this to you. Hello everyone, it's Asian Anthony, and in this video, how Myanmar can use AI to become more rich. AI makes everyone a PhD. Now everyone is a PhD level human, and you don't even need an education to use AI. There isn't much point for Myanmar to try to build these large AI systems because in the ASEAN countries, we can benefit from something called small AI, which is more targeted, focused, and practical. And let me just add that cheap and focused AI is just as powerful as broad, expensive AI if you know what you're doing. There isn't much added benefit to try to build your own LLM at this point because the countries that have built these large language models have allowed everyone in the world to have access to them. So we need to change the way we think about AI. Because in Myanmar, we need a different type of AI infrastructure. We need more cloud data storage because we don't need to worry about AI. We need to worry about data. Data is the new gold, and we are not collecting enough gold. We don't just need to collect more data. We also have to control the data that we collect. That is where the data storage comes in, the cloud data storage comes in. Because data is kind of like petrol or gasoline for AI. And with more data, we can make better decisions with AI. And we can use existing AI to make existing industries in Myanmar more productive. Let me give you a few examples. Agriculture. AI can be used in agriculture for higher crop productivity. Just a normal farmer with a smartphone can now use AI to identify pests and plant diseases, can use AI to get fertilizer advice, can use AI for analyzing weather patterns and weather information, can optimize irrigation, and even more, okay? Every farmer can be a PhD. Small businesses, okay? A small business can now have a back office. Every small business can now have a personal accountant, a personal lawyer, and even a person in marketing team, okay? Better inventory tracking, better sales data, better demand forecasting. Every businessman is now a PhD. What about education? AI can revolutionize the way we think about education in our schools. Every student can have a personal tutor. Everybody can be a student at any age and at any time. Personal lesson plans, on-demand education year-round at any time. Everybody has a PhD level teacher. Even the government can use AI for faster permit processing, tax administration, data entry. Every government worker is now also a PhD. So we need to change the way we think about AI, and we need to be harnessing the power of AI to make Myanmar richer.